So, Professor, tell us what you found in your research.
Yes, using a set of actual meeting records, we investigated these private interactions between investors and managers. And what we found, probably not surprisingly in a lot of ways, is that investors who actually get this face time, this one-on-one time with senior executives, are able to make more informed trading decisions, so buying before the stock rises and selling before it falls. And this isn't simply due to the investors that meet being, for example, more skilled, because we actually find that these improved or more informed trades actually only occur in the quarters in which they're able to meet with senior executives.
So how is that legal and ethical? I mean, it's not insider information, but you're definitely getting an edge versus, say, Scarlett and I if we were trading.
Yeah, that's a great point. So the regulation underlying this is known as Regulation of Fair Disclosure, Reg FD, which is something that was passed in 2000. And it basically said that managers or executives couldn't disclose any information that's material in a selective fashion to investors in these one-on-one meetings. And the idea of what was material information was defined pretty vaguely. It's information that a reasonable investor would find useful for making a more informed trading decision. So this raises the obvious question is, why would an investor travel all the way from, say, San Francisco to New York if they couldn't acquire information that a reasonable investor would find useful for making a more informed trading decision? So this is the fine line. And so how this is generally appealed to that investors are able to do these meetings is that they're not acquiring material information, but instead actually acquiring this much more kind of fuzzy immaterial information.
Right.
And using this immaterial information in conjunction with the other information they've acquired, conversations with suppliers,
right.
buyers, that you're actually able to put this all together and then make a more informed thesis.
Eugene.